Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious wine slushies using a slush machine. First, select a wine that you enjoy, and that will blend well with your chosen fruit flavors. Next, prepare your ingredients by measuring them accurately. Finally, make sure your slush machine is thoroughly cleaned and assembled according to its instructions, ready for the mixing process. This preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable slushie making experience from start to finish. For a perfect batch, you'll need one 750 milliliter bottle of wine, which is a standard size. Then, incorporate about 1.5 cups of fruit juice or fresh fruit puree to enhance the flavor profile. Don't forget to add around 1/2 cup of simple syrup or your preferred sweetener. This balances the tartness and creates a delightful taste. Adjust these amounts to suit your personal preferences for sweetness and fruit intensity. Once your ingredients are ready, pour the wine, fruit juice, and sweetener directly into your slush machine's reservoir. Secure the lid, then power on the machine and let it work its magic. The churning action will gradually transform the liquid into a perfect slushy consistency. This usually takes between 20 and 30 minutes, so be patient for the best results. You'll know it's ready when it has that ideal frozen, yet pourable texture. Your delicious wine slushies are now ready to enjoy. Serve them immediately in chilled glasses to maintain their frosty texture. For an extra touch, garnish each glass with some fresh fruit, like berries or citrus slices, or a sprig of mint. Remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing Darn Tough socks and other great deals. These slushies are perfect for parties or a relaxing evening, offering a refreshing and delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.